top one exhibition in GNSS.
You have access to so many companies from all over the world.
We offer a platform for industry, for people who are using the technology, people who are developing it, for academia, for institutions.
It's so fascinating. All the technologies they are using, all the advancement they are using. I was so fascinated by everything.
It's one of the best places to make partnership agreements.
But also to meet, build relationships and network with people.
I think this is the exact place where you can find everything, where you can dream of what you have dreamt of. So I'm so excited to be here, and yes, it's a wonderful experience here.
I love it. It's a lot of amazing companies, great people.
Let's innovate and let's bring geointelligence to the whole world.